Is there any unexplored land left on this earth that might appeal to adventurous young Americans?
Yes, there is. And not up around the North Pole, because it's getting crowded up there now, because they find out it's really useful, not only to live in, but militarily. But strangely enough, there's left in the world today an area as big as the United States that's never been seen by human beings.
Alright, you guys, this is just the game that I'm playing, like of just life in general. Yeah, like I love this stuff, but it's also like very scary in the sense of like, dude, like I have this expensive gear, and it's like I don't have to do this, you guys. I want to do this, but it also comes with a lot of adrenaline. So we will see what comes up with this. Like I said, you guys, it's just the game that I'm playing, and this gives me a lot of adrenaline. But if I always think about like what could go wrong, I'll always miss out on what could go right, and that's life. Like, you know, if you play any game, there's risk, and to me, doing stuff like this is worth it. This is not what I live for, but this is what makes me feel alive. This is what makes me feel the adrenaline. So we'll see how this goes. All right, you guys, again, this is so scary. It's my first time. I mean, this is what dreams are made of, right? You do things that you need to have faith for. My heart is racing, you guys. I don't even know if you can hear me right now, but my heart is freaking racing. Woo! I think it lost me. Back on me. Wow. It's so scary when it jitters like that, because you guys have no idea how close that tripod is close to the edge. If I could take a picture of this, look how close that tripod is. It seems like it can't go too far. This is really where I wish I had someone here, you guys. Let me see if I can connect to my phone. Virtual joystick. Okay. I got the joystick. Yes. I'm controlling it with my phone. This is why I bought my phone. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking scary, but this is what I live for. Woo! I think this is now a good time to talk about why I started my YouTube, you guys. I started my YouTube because this is everything I ever dreamed about. My whole life, I wanted to just make music and travel the world. And now that we're finally doing it, it feels so surreal to just be in this moment. It's like I've seen this, like I visualized this feeling. And it's this moment and this vision and this feeling that I've been chasing and striving for and going after. And there's been a lot of ups and downs along the road, but I'm grateful for the man it's turned me into. And without you guys listening to my music, watching my videos, and just seeing me live life, I wouldn't do this, because it's not just for myself. I really want to be a positive influence to anyone that just feels like it's too late. It's never too late in life to just do what you want to do, you know. And last year, really, God taught me that it's never too late. It's never too late to follow your dreams and become who you want to be. And right now, it's now or never. Even when I was setting up this camera, you guys, look at my tripod is hanging off the edge, you know, and I don't know what could happen. My camera could fall into this abyss, you know. I don't know. It's just the game that we play of life. But if I keep on focusing on what could go wrong, how do I ever expect things to go right in my life? In life, you have to take risk, and this risk was the award, and job's not finished, you know. I'm not back on that platform. I don't have the footage on my computer, but here in this moment, I just have faith. I have fear and I have doubt, of course, too, but I want faith to guide me. And I don't think fear led me here. Fear did not lead me here. Faith led me here. The Most High led me here. And I'm a child of God. And I just want to spread truth and light in this dark world. And I hope that you could grab something from this. Not in the sense of, like, man, like, I wish I was doing what he was doing. No, do what you want to do in life. And don't do it for yourself. Be a service to others. That's what my mom taught me, you know? And I'm just really grateful. That's why I wanted to start my YouTube. I'm traveling the world. I'm making music, and it's a dream come true. And now that it's finally happened, I just got to capture the moment. I got to capture the moment. And I know that I'll keep getting better and better. But I just want to say thank you, Heavenly Father. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for bringing me here. And I hope that one of you guys, if it was just one of you guys, just one person that gets inspired by this to make a positive change in their life, that'll be enough for me. Because starting a YouTube and just sharing your life with people, it's like building a fire. And if only one person sit next to my fire and listen, and they get inspired or moved by what I'm doing in life, and you know, that's worth it. And I ultimately want your soul to get saved. That's why I'm doing this. I love making music and I love traveling, but I hope that souls could get genuinely saved from the life I live. That's ultimately why I do this, you guys. But anyways, it's time to take a dip. This water is warm. Like, I thought it would be cold. This water is so warm. Anyways, I'm Chrissy B, and this is It's Now or Never. It's now or never, baby. Woo! Let's go! Man, it's just the game we play, you guys. Well, like I said, I could let fear hold me back, or I could walk in faith. Now or never season, baby. Now or never. Get lost in. Wow, it is officially not 8 hours. Wow, guys. I can't believe it. I finally am at the waterfall, and it's just crazy where we are at in life. It feels so good, you guys. Literally, it feels, this moment, it feels amazing. It really feels so good. Look at it. What an awesome view, guys. Man, this has been amazing. I wish I had some water shoes to give me back to you guys, but I'm broke, so please subscribe. Thank you, Ro. Thank you. Woo. My man Casey, you didn't forget about me. Woo. Okay. Let's see if I can get back up here, you guys. Okay. Okay. I got it, I got it. Thank you, buddy.
Okay?
I got it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, brother.
But oh wait! Wow!
You have towel in there? Do you have towel in there? I'm sorry. Man, what a dream come true. Wow, I hope he has a towel. I feel so bad. Oh my gosh. All right, job number one. We have to. Woo! Wow, imagine the anxiety I had, you guys, seeing this there the whole time while over there. Man. Wow, what a dream come true though. Hey, my man Casey, he did not forget about me. He came back to get me. Look, he brought me to this waterfall by myself, dude. I can't believe it. He brought me. Hey, thank you. I'll sit on that. Yeah, I'll sit on it. I'll sit on it. Wow. Woo! Let's go! You guys, I feel so good right now. But yeah, it was so scary holding this freaking tripod. Look, it was literally at the edge of the cliff, but gotta get this content, baby. Thank you, Casey. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Free
Thank you, buddy.
camera?
Yeah, video.
A video, yes, okay.
Wow. Yeah, it's just a dream come true, you guys. Like it really is a dream come true just to be here in Japan, you know, and I'm just grateful to just live this life. Thanks to God for bringing me here, and I hope that this will lead to more experiences. I hope that my music will be not only heard across the world, but as long as with my message. And it's just an amazing life to live, and I'm just so grateful just to be here in this moment. And this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to start my YouTube and just document my life. This is honestly a dream come true for me to just travel the world and make music, and just thanks be to God, man. God is so good, and just to see his creation come true. And next week I'm dropping my next song called Worlds Beyond. It's gonna be an amazing music video. I hope you guys like it. And I was just thinking, my music that I'm making now is just, it comes so far. I've been making music for, man, I've been producing for almost 10 years now, and just to see all this come together, like I envision this. And this moment, it's like, this moment I've seen it, I pictured it, this vision, and it's like I've always been chasing this moment, like it's mine. Like this moment, I claimed it. God is opening up these doors, and I really hope you guys to get an inspiration from the life that I live, and I hope that you hear my message that God has given me, and I hope that I could just be a positive inspiration to you guys. And I love you guys, and I just want to say thank you to my Lord and Savior, and this is just gonna be an amazing experience for me. And this is Japan. It's now or never. It's now or never season, and I'm just so grateful to be here in this moment. God is so good, and this is just the beginning, man. It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning of my YouTube. Thank you so much. My man, Casey. Thank you, brother.
Sorry, sometime on Zoom, out Zoom.
Yeah, this is amazing. My man. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, good.
All right. We gotta get back to. Wow, you guys, that was amazing, and I couldn't have done it without you, Casey. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much, man. That was a dream come true to be at a waterfall like that. So here we are. We're going back to the ship. Going back to the ship. Wow. I'm like shaking from all the adrenaline. Let's see if I can find my mic. Yeah, my mic's on. Yeah, I'm shaking with all the adrenaline that was just an amazing experience, and yeah, I couldn't have done it without my man Casey. And man, yeah, wow, what an adrenaline rush, what an amazing experience that was. Just being at the waterfall like that, man, was honestly amazing. And it's crazy, I don't even work tonight, so it would just be nice to just calm down my nerves. And
This one, Japanese god.
oh, I see.
Farmer's god.
That's your guys' god.
Yeah.
I
But
see.
front is a god. But backside, please, move, please. Walk, please.
Oh yeah. Come. I'm like tight on time. Okay. He wants to show me his god, you guys.
Come here. Front side is a god, Japanese farmer's god.
Oh.
But please come here. Backside, cox. A female, male cox.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
See.
Please give me children and grandchildren, neighbor children, please.
Ah.
Yeah. Japanese people, family peace, and this one, male cox, please, children.
Oh, I
Please,
see.
children.
So you
Yeah.
go here to pray
Yeah.
to have children.
Yeah, generation to generation, children. Please, children.
Ah.
Yeah. Please.
Ah, I see. I mean, a lot different than the God of the Bible that I worship and I believe in. But, you know, Casey seemed passionate, so I got out of the car for him. And yeah, here we go. Thank you. Oh, I dropped all that stuff.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. It's not your fault.
Yeah.
Not your fault. Not your fault. Yeah. Okay.
One more.
One more.
Yes,
There
thank
it
you.
is.
Yes, please.
Arigato. Well, now we go back to the ship. And yeah, this is Chrissy B Dreams, you guys, and wow, what an amazing experience. Thank you, Letty. Wow. Wow, what a life. What volcano is this called?
Yeah.
The name?
Sakurajima.
Sakurajima.
Yeah. Every day it's explosion.
Every day?
Yeah, every day.
Wow.
But last month, after many days, about five explosion, 10 explosion.
Wow.
Sakurajima Island, 17 meters height.
Wow, what a life. All right, brother. Well,
Thank you.
it was a pleasure.
Please come again here.
Man, no, I would love to, and you literally, you made this day possible.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. You didn't, Casey didn't forget about me, so he brought me back home. So thank you so much. Back on the Celebrity Millennium. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, thank you.
Arigato.
はい、こちらこそありがとうございました。
And wow, man, what a life that was, you guys. Literally, what a life that was, and I couldn't have done it without Casey. So, and we're back. Hey, Casey, thank you.
50 yen.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Arigato.
Yeah. No, forget it. Okay?
Yeah, we're all good. Well, let me
Okay.
let me put my wow. Man,
Wow.
thank you, Ali.
Yo, Naruto.
Naruto.
Wow.
It's gonna give me like a souvenir of some sort, I'm assuming.
Commercial paper.
Oh, arigato.
Oh yeah. Same. All same.
Oh, okay.
Please.
Arigato. Anan.
Yeah.
Man, you guys.
Promise.
I will. I'll see you again, Charlie. Nine. Wow, you guys. What a day, what that was. Yeah. And at this point, I'm always been that person of like, man, I hope the footage was good. I hope it looks good, but I just got to be grateful nothing went wrong because so many things could have went wrong. And yeah, I'm just grateful to be back at the ship, not only on time, Casey didn't forget about me. And yeah, it just feels good. It feels good. So hopefully the footage looks good, and if it doesn't, that's okay. At least I had fun. That's the most important thing, you guys, is that I enjoyed my time. I got to swim underneath a waterfall. I've always wanted to do that. So that honestly, that was a dream come true. And yeah, back to the ship we go. And it's now or never season, baby. It's now or never, and we're just gonna keep getting better. The footage is gonna keep getting better. The content's gonna keep getting better. My music has been getting better, and we're just gonna keep growing closer to God. And man, what a dream come true this was today, to swim underneath a waterfall. How many people get to say they get to swim underneath a waterfall in Japan? and I'm just grateful that I'm living it. It just it really feels amazing, and we're back, baby. We're back at the ship, and yeah, all this just feels so surreal. So we're back. I'm out of here, you guys, and yeah, thank you.